Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in Hanson Circle, Santa Cruz, is this single-story residence, which is disposed over a total gross external floor area of approximately 3,000 square feet. It consists of 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, 2 verandas, laundry room, and a garage. The total land size of this property is approximately 529 square meters. The land is enclosed with concrete block walls, a double swing iron gate, and a pedestrian iron gate. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.